SBA Publications.
Hello, my amazing students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well in your homes. I am good at my place. Myself, Soni, your mentor. Today, with me, we will start the chapter number 2, Roman numbers. So, let's start it. So, my dear Bacha Party, as you all know, we have learned the numbers. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 0, and so on. So, the Roman numbers, Roman numerals, means बहुत टाइम पहले रोमन पीपल्स आए थे जिन्होंने हमें काउंटिंग दी, बट उनका वे कुछ अलग था नंबर्स को लिखने का. सो हम आज उन्हीं को पढ़ेंगे जो कि आज तक वैलिड है और चलते हैं. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द कंसेप्ट रोमन नंबर्स. व्हाई इट इज सेड टू बी रोमन नंबर्स? Because it is given by the Romans people. In the ancient days, पुराने दिनों की बात है, Romans had a different system of numbers. Roman people had a different system of numbers, of representing numbers, of writing numbers. They used only 7 symbols to write numbers. So, आपने भी देखा होगा काउंटिंग के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4 कितनी चलती रहती है, काउंटिंग ख़त्म ही नहीं होती है. बट रोमन पीपल्स ने क्या किया था, 7 सिंबल्स बनाए थे जिनको यूज़ करके उन्होंने पूरी काउंटिंग करी. सो द सिंबल्स आर आई, वी, एक्स, एल, सी, डी एंड एम. ओके, हैव यू एवर नोटिस्ड दीज सिंबल्स? क्या कभी आपने इन सिंबल्स को देखा है? आई होप यू ऑल डिड. व्हाई? फर्स्ट, दिस इज 1, दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स 1, दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स 5, दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स 10. In the classes, we used to say first class, second class, third class, fifth class, and so on. So, this I refers to first class. In your school notebook, your name slip has been written the first I as your class. So, here it is written chapter number 7th. Here it is written question number 5th. So, these are just example how we do represent them. This number system was followed in Europe also. तो ये यूरोप में ही फॉलो हुए थे. We still use Roman numbers. हम आज तक रोमन नंबर्स को यूज करते हैं. Still today. Have you observed the numerals marked in the classrooms, watches and the unit of books? क्या आपने कभी नोटिस किया है जो आपकी बुक्स होती है उसके ऊपर, या आपकी कॉपी पे जो नोट स्लिप होती है, नेम स्लिप होती है उसके ऊपर, या आपकी बुक्स के ऊपर, वॉच के ऊपर, घड़ियों के ऊपर. नाउ रोमन न्यूमरल्स, रोमन नंबर्स. 1 आई दैट रिफर्स टू 1, V refers to 5, 10, X refers to 10, L refers to 50, C refers to 100, D represents 500 and M refers to 1000. Okay, how to use Roman numerals to make Hindu-Arabic number? If we want to understand what are Hindu-Arabic numbers, with the logic of Roman numerals, how do we do it? See, Roman numerals follow some rules. Keep these rules in the mind. कुछ रूल्स हैं, आपको उनको अपने दिमाग में बिठाने हैं so that आप सारे के सारे हिंदू-अरेबिक नंबर्स को अपने रोमन न्यूमरल्स के सिस्टम में फॉर्मेट में लिख सकते हैं. The numerals V can be used only once. जो numerals V हैं वो एक ही बार यूज होता है. It can never be repeated. जो V है, 5th है, वो रिपीट नहीं होता है. Okay. Numeral I and X can be repeated. जो numeral I और X है, Roman numeral I and X can be repeated to form a number. But these numerals cannot be repeated more than 3 times. ये रिपीट कर सकते हैं लेकिन 3 टाइम से ज़्यादा नहीं. Okay, but these numerals cannot be repeated more than 3 times. When numerals are repeated, their values have to be added. अगर ये numerals repeat होंगे तो तो इनकी वैल्यू ऐड ऑन हो जाएगी. ओके, सो ये कुछ छोटे छोटे रूल्स और हैं. लाइक व्हेन अ स्मॉलर न्यूमरल इज प्लेस्ड इन द राइट ऑफ द ग्रेटर न्यूमरल, देन वी ऐड द स्मॉलर वन टू द ग्रेटर वन. आपको ऐसे नहीं समझ आएगा. सी, बोला है कि अगर आपका एक ग्रेटर न्यूमरल है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग दैट्स v which represents 5 in Hindu-Arabic system and the smaller one, और एक और न्यूमरल लिया मैंने that is I which represents 1 in the Hindu-Arabic system. So I am writing here. So when it is written in the right place, then its value would be added. To get what is this number, we have to add both numbers. Like this represents 5 and this I represents 1. That it gives 6. Okay? Like I am taking here 2 times. So it will represent 7. 5 plus 1 and plus 1, that it will give 7. Similarly, a new rule, when a smaller numeral is placed on the left of the greater, अगर किसी ग्रेटर नंबर के लेफ्ट में स्मॉलर न्यूमरल है, स्मॉलर रोमन न्यूमरल है, देन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द स्मॉलर वन फ्रॉम द ग्रेटर वन. अगेन वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जांपल, लाइक आई एम टेकिंग हियर v एंड मैं इस टाइम v के आगे नहीं, v से पहले, बिफोर v आई एम अप्लाइंग 1, आई एम पुटिंग 1, दैट्स I. इट्स नॉट 1, इट्स I. सो हियर इट्स 5 and it represents 1. Now because it is in the left side of the v, then it will minus 5 subtracted 1, that gives 4. Means this IV Roman numeral represent 4. So moving further to the next point, that is the numeral v which represents 5 is never subtracted, it is never written on the left of x. So v नंबर हम कभी भी x से पहले नहीं लिखते हैं, x के बिफोर नहीं लिखते हैं. Why? Because इससे हम इट्स लाइक दिस. एक रूल है कि आप v के आगे तो आप न्यूमरल लगा सकते हो, रोमन न्यूमरल लाइक I, x, but we can't use any another Roman numeral before the v. Now, next is I can be subtracted from v and x only. So that I which represents 1 can be subtracted from v which is 5 or x which is 10 only. Now x can be subtracted from L and C only. So x which is represented as 10 can be subtracted from L and C only. Okay, so C can be subtracted from D and M only. Similarly, another rule, that is C which is 100 only can be subtracted from D and M. D, that's 500, and M, that's 1000. Million. Okay, here are some Roman numerals for you. See, 1, as I said, I represents the 1. 2 times I represents 2. We are adding 1 and 1, that's 2. 3 times I refers to 3. Similarly, when I said a point above, which is when we use a fifth number numeral, that is v, which represents 5, and when I get a number like a Roman numeral in the left side of v, then I have to minus the value of greater one to the smaller one, like 5 minus 1, that's 4. And now it's fifth, v represents fifth. Now sixth, v and the right side I will add on 5 plus 1, then it will make 6. Similarly 7, 8, and the 9th place what we are doing, see, 10, x refers to 10, x refers to 10, but as I am writing I before the x, so I will minus the 1 from the 10, and we are getting 9, which is a Hindu-Arabic number. So 9 represented by IX. Now 10 refers to x. Similarly 11, x plus 1 11, x plus 6 2 times I 12, x plus 3 times I, it's 13, 14. That's IV, which is 4, and 10. So here is the trick to learn them all because it is very important. So see, when I have learned this 10, I can make another numerals after this by using this concept. See, it's 10. If I want to make 11, what I will do? In a normal way, what I will do? 10 plus 1. Similarly, in the numeral numbers, what I will do to make an 11, that is, I will add 10, which is x, and the 1, that is I, and it will make xi, which is 11. Similarly, I am taking another example like 18. What I am doing? 10 plus 8. Here it is 8 and here it is 10. 10 plus 8, I am getting 18. So, what is 20? 10 plus 10, that is x plus x. What is 30? X plus x plus x. Similarly, we are getting more and more numbers after the 10, just getting the point how the numeral 1 to 10 are made. So, here the word 50 is another concept. See, we are not getting here x 5 times because it was the rule that we cannot use x more than 3 times. So here 3 times and now single, now I am getting L. So here L is the new numeral. It is not given in the picture, but you should know that L is the number which represents 50. Now if I need 51, what I will do? I will add 1, which is represented by I, L plus I, that it will give Li. If I want to make 60, what I will do? 50 plus 10, that is L plus X. L plus 10, that is X. It will be Lx. Okay, so it's 60. Similarly, we can make 100, 1000, but remembering L refers to 50, now then C, which is refers to 100, M refers to million, M for million, and D refers to 500. Okay, so here an interesting activity for you guys. See, write the Roman numerals for the following. Okay, so here 16. How do we write it? Firstly, we will break it in the 10 and 6. 10 is represented by x and 6 represented by vi. What we are doing here? Adding the 10 and 6. Rest of the question you have to do by your own. Now, write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for each following. So, here it's V, which represents 5, and the I and I, 2 times I, which is 2. 5 plus 2, it's 7. Okay, the next question, put the correct sign greater than, lesser than, or equal to in the box. Here, xi, which is 10 plus 1, 11. So, here x is 10 and vi is 6. 10 plus 6, that is 16. Which one is greater, 16 or 11? Of course 16. So, what we will put the sign? Lesser one. 11 is lesser than 16. Okay, the next question. Write the time shown on the clock. We have to see the clock. We have to understand the Roman numbers. It's 12, 3, 6 and 9. Now, saying that you have to write the time as shown in the clock. So, here, see, it's 1 and 2. It's on the second place. That is, it's on the 1.5 place. Okay, so it's 1:30. We have to write the time from the clock. Now here is the activity, join the dots and color the picture. I know you all like drawing and coloring, sketching. Bring the colors from your box and please do perform it by your own. So here we have completed this chapter. Hope you enjoyed the chapter and your concepts are totally clear. Let's meet to the next video. Bye-bye.